So welcome from San Juan Beach. It's like I showed you yesterday, it's just really close to Alicante. There are buses, trams going there, no problem. And as you can see, the beach is really nice. It's really long. You can see a lot of people in the water, but they're all surfers because it is 7th of April, so it's probably not exactly super warm. So I was saying the one thing maybe that might be considered if you come in here, and I think you should, because the city here is great. The beaches here are pretty nice, is that usually the weather like this, or I mean the waves and everything, it's quite normal here. I was here in middle of June or second part of June, and it was the same. It was a bit wavy, I would say. So maybe like if you come with a small child, or you're not such a good swimmer, okay, maybe you can consider different places, but otherwise this is definitely a nice place. And we're gonna hit at least 2 more beaches today around the area. Maybe do some walking tour, but we'll definitely show you more places to go, where to go in Alicante. And by the way, if you are surfing, you can come here really even in April. It's already warm enough. You can see it's like it's 10:20. I'm in a t-shirt. It's totally fine. So definitely come here and check it out. As you can see, the school is already open, so that's good. That is good. What a perfect way to have a breakfast. You can see this beach is really nice, and most of the places are apartments. There are only really few hotels here, so probably don't expect maybe there's gonna be not that many tourists, probably not the crazy drunk kids here. There are some nice restaurants here, but probably the nightlife here is not super crazy, which is good if you don't want to party all night. That's when I was in Arenal in Mallorca last year with friends. Like, the beach was nice, but oh my god, drunk Dutch and German kids everywhere. And in Magaluf it's the same, just British. So yeah, if you just want to really enjoy vacation without partying all night, it might be one of the spots. If you want to party, it's gonna be Benidorm. Just gonna go there right now to Benidorm, so you're gonna see that. Okay guys, so made it to Benidorm, and well, it's 7th of April and it looks like summer here. Seriously, it's so many people, so many people. There are people everywhere. Like, yeah. The beach looks nice, but to be honest, I prefer the first place. If I'm coming here in summer, which I might, I will go to this hotel. It's adults only, because obviously I don't have a kid yet, and I'm planning them for a couple of years. So if it's not my kid, I don't want to have a kid around. Obviously, it's nothing against kids with family, but they do get kind of annoying sometimes. So it's much nicer the adults only. But I have to say the beach is nice, but I think it's gonna be a bit crazy here. And it's not, obviously it's not Spanish here at all. Like, it's probably just British and Germans here. Okay guys, so this is the last stop for the day. It's the place Villajoyosa. It's definitely much more chill out resort than Benidorm. I would say maybe a little bit more even than Playa de San Juan. But the beach, the beach looks nice as well, as you can see. couple hotels here, restaurant. It's definitely more like if you go with a family or I know couples, just you know, want a more chill, less stress. That's definitely the option to do. So now we're gonna do something. So now we're gonna do some aerial shots, and after that we're gonna have a lunch because it's already 3:30 or something like that. Still haven't, yeah, it's 4 p.m. I still haven't had lunch, so for sure we'll do something. So see you later. All right, okay, so finally stopped for lunch here at Gusta Pizza, and the pizzas looks really nice and it's actually not so expensive. So beer, pizza. Finally getting lunch at almost 5 p.m. so it's gonna be almost it for the day. Gonna do a little bit of walking tour, but definitely those 3 places we visited, I linked everything below. Pretty good, definitely worth a visit. Well, it's definitely a nice place to visit. Actually, all these 3 beaches we visited today, all the 3 beaches we visited today were pretty cool. Like, all nice. Benidorm, I guess, it's the most crowded, but if you wanna like more party, we see a lot of people, that's definitely the one to go. The San Juan, for me, is I think that's the winner for me. The beach was really nice. But it was kind of between like nightlife and like chill out place. Here's, I would say, more chill out, but I would say here is the most like authentic Spanish. The building here and everything. It's really cool. So the old building here, as you can check it, and there are a lot of restaurants as well. As you can see, it's cute old buildings, and I love how they like the different color and everything. So I'm gonna continue walk there all the way to the pier, but it's pretty cool, and the beach is nice as well. So why not with the marina all the way in the back? Definitely do it. And also, like I said, I'm here with a friend. We both live in Madrid. He also has a channel. He has 2 channels. First one, check the 4K win. That's first channel, and the second channel, it's in Portuguese. So as eles não falam português, that one is Vini Salvi. I will link them below, so you can check it. Has a nice travel videos, walking tour, and the travel vlogs, drone videos as well. So definitely check. Also, as you can see, there are actually some people really going into the water. He does have a lot of extra padding, let's say, so I don't. But yeah, that's a nice place. I think this one is the most authentic Spanish one, so definitely good choice. It depends what you want. I'll write all the places down below. You can check it, check the chapters, see what you like. But definitely this area around Alicante and Alicante itself is definitely not a bad idea to make a trip. There is a nice city there, there is the things to do here, the beaches are nice. Maybe only the, like, it's more like the waves here, but it's really cool, so definitely try it. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos, because I'm gonna be making this summer a lot of videos here from Spain, beach side, also the other. You can check my previous videos, so definitely enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.